Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, are you facing a problem where Instagram share and reuse option is not showing on your account? Firstly, check if your account is private. Instagram doesn't allow sharing and reissue features on private accounts, so switch it to the public account. For this, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now scroll down and click on Account Privacy and tap on the toggle to turn it off. Tap on Switch to Public. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version and try switching to a professional or creator account because some features roll out there first. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.